Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Dar Arqam School Federal campus online classes for the session 2021 and 22. How are you students of class 3? This is your English unit and I am your English teacher. Students, we have recalled or revised some terms which we have done also in class 2. Okay, we have revised noun, common and proper noun and verb in the last video, and today we are going to revise some other terms also. So take out your English verb books. This is your English verb book and open page number 28. Okay, page number 28. And on page number 28, first you have to write down the date and day on which you will get the video. Okay, here we have adjectives. Yes, you have done the adjectives in class 2 also, so today we are just going to recall it. Okay, what is an adjective? Here 3 examples. You have to write the definition of adjective. What are adjectives? Yes, very nice. The describing words which describes the noun, the nature, the texture and the color, height and how it looks like. All these words that shows the description of a noun, all are adjectives. Very good. So write down the definition of adjective here. Students, you can write the definition of adjective like this, that adjective is a word that describes a noun. Okay, example, a red apple, tall tree and naughty boy. And what are the adjectives? Yes, the describing words are red apple. It describes the color of apple. Okay, so underline it with blue color. Sorry. Tall tree, underline the word tall, and naughty boy because it describes the nature of a boy, how the tree looks like, tall tree. Okay, now we are going to do the exercise. Circle the adjectives in the riddles, then fill in the blanks to get the name of the animal. They have given us 3 riddles and we have to just circle the adjectives in the sentences. Okay, and guess the name of the animal. Okay, now yesterday I saw a fierce animal. It was very strong. It had golden thick hair on its head. What are the adjectives in this line? Fierce animal. Okay, strong, golden and the texture of hair thick. Okay, and what do you get the answer? Yes, now students, guess the answer. What animal would it be? Very good, lion. Lion is strong and fierce too. Okay, it roared loudly and it has golden and thick hairs. Okay, I saw a bird on a tree. It had a beautiful tail. It had a colorful crown on its head. So first we have to underline the adjectives. Beautiful tail, it describes the tail. Colorful crown. Okay, and what is the answer of guess the animal? Yes, peacock. Riddle number 3. You have to solve it by your own and circle it or underline the adjectives. Okay, on page number 29. Okay, now first write down the date and day. Separate the describing and naming words from the given phrases. write them in their respective columns. They have given us 2 columns, adjective and nouns, ठीक है, and they have given some phrases, the incomplete sentences, ठीक है. We have to separate the adjectives, the describing words, and nouns are the naming words. Very good. Separately, ठीक है. Write separately here adjectives from the phrases and nouns from the phrases here. ठीक है. Good boy. Good is a property of a boy. It describes the boy, the nature of a boy. ठीक है. So good is an adjective and boy is a noun. Students, you have to write it like this. Now pretty doll. Pretty, the word pretty, it is adjective because it describes the doll, and doll is a noun. Okay students, you have to do it like this. So do the rest of 3 by your own selves. Here in the next exercise, write adjectives to describe these nouns. They have given us some nouns here. ठीक है. We have to describe these nouns by writing the adjective word which describes these nouns. ठीक है. Biscuit, a tasty biscuit, a yummy biscuit. ठीक है. Dog, a brown dog, a tall dog, a barking dog, an angry dog. ठीक है. Poem, a rhythmic poem. Students, I have done these 3 for you, and you have to write down the rest of the 3 by your own self. Rose, you can you can write here the color of the rose. ठीक है. Building, a tall building, a beautiful building. Teacher, a sweet or nice teacher, a loving teacher. ठीक है. You can write these adjectives also. Okay, now below we have pronouns. What are pronouns? Students, you have to write down the definition of pronouns here. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which we use instead of noun. We use pronouns usually in the paragraphs to avoid the reusing of nouns. ठीक है. Again and again. You can write the definition of pronoun like this. Pronoun is a word which we use instead of a noun. Example, he, she, it, they, we and I. We use he for a boy, she for a girl, it for animals and plants also, and the non-living things also. ठीक है. They is using for 2 or more people. It is a plural form. ठीक है. We is also a plural word, and we use it instead of I and with someone with me. Okay. Now move towards page number 30. On page number 30 we have an exercise for pronouns. Write down the date and day first. Nazia and Farah are my friends. You have to underline all the pronouns in the paragraph. They read in class 3. Here we use the word they instead of names of the girls again and again. First we use the names of the girls and then we use they instead of their names. ठीक है. So underline the word they. They is a pronoun. They are very hardworking and punctual. So again we go to school together. ठीक है. I have done 3 for you, and you have to do it by your own. Okay. Now prepositions. What is preposition? Preposition are the words which describes the position of a noun. ठीक है. The position of a noun. ठीक है. Students, here you have to give 3 examples. I have written one for you. On is on a notebook. On is a preposition. It describes where the girl writing. ठीक है. The position of the girl on which she writes. ठीक है, she is writing on a notebook. ठीक. Label the pictures using prepositions. From the help box you have seen some words, the prepositions, and you have to use them, these words, and write here to describe the position of this boy. ठीक है. First we have to read the words over, between, under, in front of and beside, behind and on. ठीक है. Now where is he? He is under the box. He is standing under the box. So write under here. ठीक है. Where the boy is standing? He is standing in front of the box. Box के front पर है ना, सामने खड़ा हुआ है. So in front of box. ठीक है. The boy is sitting next to or beside the, beside, साइड पे बैठा है ना, beside the box. ठीक है. And here the boy is in the box. He is sitting in the box. ठीक है. Students, here I have done 4 for you, and you have to do the rest of the 4 by your own selves. Now move towards page number 31. ठीक है. Write down the date and day, and this is your homework. Write an adjective to describe each noun. You have to describe these nouns. ठीक है. The color, the size, the nature of the nouns. ठीक है. You have to write down the describing words or adjectives here. Now look at the picture and fill in the blanks using correct preposition given below. They have given us some prepositions, and you have to write these prepositions to fill the blanks. ठीक है. According to the picture, you have to look the picture very carefully and do it. ठीक है. The coffee cup is dash the saucer. First we have to read the words on, under, next to, between, above, behind, in front of and in. On माने उसके ऊपर, under माने उसके नीचे, next to उसके बराबर में, उससे आगे बराबर में. ठीक है. Between दोनों के दरमियान, above ऊपर, behind उसके पीछे, in front of उसके आगे और in उसके अंदर. ठीक है. The coffee cup is dash the saucer. saucer के on the saucer उसके ऊपर है. कॉफ़ी कप जो है वो saucer के ऊपर है. So write on here. Okay. The photo frame is dash the microwave. माइक्रोवेव के पीछे है. So we use behind the microwave. Okay students, I hope this is very interesting and very you will enjoy it very well. ठीक है. And you are able to do it by your own. Students, okay, I hope you will enjoy the work and you are able to do it without the help of your parents or your elders. ठीक है. Meet you inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.